celebrating Women's Day in association with Femina. My name is Lincia Rosario and I would like to welcome each one of you here. So we're going to start with the unveiling of the Spring-Summer collection of Max 2014. And speaking about Max, it is the leading fashion brand which has its presence not only in India but also... Hello Vani, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
Very well, thank you so much. So, Vani, can you just address the crowd for us, please?
Good morning. Well, I think it's an honor to be here, and it's very prestigious, being here among such fine people with something Femina, has been. I think it's been over 50 years since Femina has been available to people like us who we can subscribe for beautiful articles written, on terms of relationships and beauty and health, fitness, traveling, everything. So it covers it all. And the best thing about this is that it talks about real women. It talks about their real instances. And I'm really happy that I'm here, to talk about women. Now the Women's Day is also approaching. I think it's fabulous that Max is coming up with something to, help women feel more pampered and wanted. So yeah, I think it's going to be fun for all the women who are walking in, being pampered by photo ops and some salon activities and nail spa and what else? Yeah, so there's a lot of things happening. I think I might just walk into when does it start? 8th of March? Oh, okay. So I'm also going to take a quick look. So, but yeah, I'm very grateful that they called me here. I'm feeling very honored and I'm very much welcomed, and it's just a lovely feeling to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vani. I would now like to call upon Tanya, Tanu and Royston on the stage along with Vani so that we... Summer Spring Collection 2014 of Max. With the most memories being made during spring, Max introduces its latest line inspired by the nostalgic A Day to Remember concept. The season's hottest trend set foot in Max's latest collection that resonates the spirit of pleasant outdoor memories and the holiday mood. The exciting and refreshing new range features bright, bold and cheerful colors. It's a combination of chic and comforting clothing, accessories, footwear with a widespread repertoire of short skirts, denim, tops and summer dresses.
I think I feel most confident and good when I'm comfortable with the kind of clothes I'm in, and when you're wearing your personality. I think you're wearing fashion and you're being trendy. I think you can if you have a good personality, I think you can pull off just about anything, be it a regular gunji and jeans, be it in fact, for me, I think my personal statement is very casual, it's very simple, it's very a lot of people would not really term me as a fashionista because I am very jeans and a gunji sort of a person, a t-shirt and jeans and a jacket maybe. Winter, I'll add on boots to it. So I'm a very regular dresser. I don't really do a lot of trendy things. I'm very minimalistic with accessories and stuff. Yeah.
So being yourself.
Just be yourself. Yeah, be confident and wear what you feel confident in. You don't really have to follow a trend or follow anybody in particular because you know your body best. You know what would suit and complement your body, and I think one should dress up accordingly.
According to their body type.
Yeah.
Like, tell me, Women's Day is fast approaching. It's on March 8th. Is there anything special you plan to do on March 8th? Are you shooting? Are you going out with friends? What's the big plan?
Well, I have not really decided exactly. I'm a late bloomer. I don't plan a lot ahead. I think my manager would have a better deal of my day schedule than I do. But you know what? One thing I'm really happy about is that I and my family, women in my family, we all strongly believe that it's the women make the world a lot much better place to be in, and for that we all deserve pampering and a little love too. So I think if I'm free and if I get time, I'm just surely going to go and pamper myself and give a pat at my back for being one of the women of strength and substance.
To create a day to remember for yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
Fantastic. Can I also ask you a quick question about, so say red carpet, you just won the Filmfare Award. So what do you think works on the red carpet? Is it a short LBD or is it a sari? What do you think works on the red carpet for you?
I think it totally depends on my mindset for the day. If I feel like getting into a sari and if I feel that is what something that I will feel sensual in, I would just wear up a sari. In fact, I love Indian wear. If it had to be me and given a choice, I love wearing Indian clothes. I love wearing Indian outfit. In fact, even for a regular day wear, not that I wear it too much, but I love kurtis. I love just a regular salwar with a kurti, with a plain white kurti or something. I love chicken curry work a lot. So chicken curry, I don't know, chicken curry. So I love that work a lot. Yeah, I think saris are beautiful for me. I love saris.
And if I were to just end it with one last question for you, who is that one woman who you think you would want to see on the Femina cover on the Women's Day issue?
It's a very tricky question. Why don't you just get yourself featured? I think I think that'll be a brilliant cover.
Thank you very much. I had thought you'd suggest some,
Yeah, we can do a joint cover together.
Yeah, perfect. We'll do that also very soon. Thank you very much. I'd like to open this up to the media. Questions?
Well, I'm very happy that मुझे यहाँ पे invite किया गया. It's very prestigious. I feel very honored, and it's something that we all are doing it for Women's Day. I'm a woman, and I think all the women in the world, have a right to pamper themselves and to get pampered and to feel wanted. So I think this is a great way that Femina, in collaboration with Max and Life Trust, has come together, and all are doing something special for women. So it's a great thing. मेरा स्टाइल बहुत सिंपल है. मैं बहुत ही एक जीन्स एंड टी-शर्ट काइंड ऑफ अ गर्ल हूँ. वेरी लेस एक्सेसरीज. आई थिंक मैं सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल. In fact, I love loose t-shirts with just ripped jeans or just very comfortable, basic clothing. So yeah, I'm not much of a dress person. I like dresses occasionally, but my day-to-day life, I'm just in a jeans and a t-shirt.
Ma'am, Holi is coming nearby, so Bollywood is very well known for playing Holi as such. So how do you celebrate Holi?
As a kid, I used to celebrate Holi really well. I still remember we had this pool where we used to put a lot of colors, and whosoever used to come to our house, we used to throw them in the pool. And my mother was very notorious. She would even inject bhang in fruits. I don't know if that's legal, and I just said it. Please don't catch hold of it. But yeah, I think Holi is one colorful event, and I love Holi. So me and my cousins, we've also played Holi, bursting eggs on each other's head and faces and all. So it's been now over the years, I've grown into a lot more mature and a sober person. So we don't play Holi with eggs now. It's a cleaner Holi with a skin-friendly color.
Vani, you had a great debut with Shuddh Desi Romance and ended up winning almost all the debutant awards. How does that inspire you, and who would you like to work for in the future?
Who would I want to work for? It's a huge list. I'm just hoping all those people who are there on my list are willing to work with me as well, because I have a really huge list, of directors and people who I would want to work with in the movie business. Yes. Yeah.
जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि कवर पेज पे ये और आप और कौन हो सकता है कवर पेज खासतौर पे मिलने की?
मैं तो होंगी नहीं कवर पे, यही होंगी कवर पे और
Why
बहुत
not?
जल्दी
Don't you think
हम
you should also be
कवर
there?
पे देखने वाले हैं. वानी really symbolizes the real Indian woman. ये अभी मुझे बता रही थी कि she's come from Delhi. तो she's one of those girls who stepped out अपने आप को उन्होंने independently, she's carved a niche for herself और अब धीरे-धीरे she's just won an award also for Filmfare. So we are hoping that very soon we do a fabulous cover together, and I hope everyone loves it. And she likes it.
How did you thought of bringing on board
Vani for this activity? We thought of Vani because she's young and she's beautiful, and she's also somebody who looks lovely in the sort of clothes that Max has. So we thought let's have her on board and have her unveil this.
Ma'am,
many social causes which is coming regarding women's and girls' silence. So what do you think as a pregnancy government?
Yeah.
Do you protest or do you say any comment?
Are you saying for it that one should definitely be there out there for? In fact, I'm traveling tomorrow for one of a social cause as well. Okay, I would not want to commercialize it, but I think it's very imperative for we as an individual person who are very, very well privileged to be well educated and to be brought up in a good family, to be able to be out there for people who are underprivileged and show some compassion and work towards bringing them up also with that much love and affection, and be able to provide them education and support them, motivate them in a way. So I think it's a great thing, it's sad that when you read things, crime against women, and when you hear about feticide and all of that. So yeah, I'm just hoping that this nation becomes a better place for women all the more, and we should start working at an individual level to be able to take up responsibility for the underprivileged.